Hello everyone, I am Monalisha Padi. I am a legal intern at Lexis and Company, and I am a third year student of Bharati Vidyapeeth New Law College Pune, and I am pursuing BBA LLB. And so today's topic would be legal aid in India. The legal aid to the poor and weak is necessary for the preservation of rule of law. It is necessary for the existence of the orderly society. Until and unless poor illiterate man is not legally assisted, he is denied equality in the opportunity to seek justice. Therefore, as a step towards making the legal service serve the poor and deprive the judiciary, has taken active interest in providing legal aid to the needy in the past. The Indian Constitution provides for an independent and impartial judiciary, and the courts are given power to protect the Constitution and safeguard the rights of people, irrespective of their financial status. Since the aim of the Constitution is to provide justice to all, and the directive principles are integral part of the Constitution dictates that judiciary has duty to protect rights of the poor as also society as a whole. The judiciary, through its significant judicial interventions, has compelled as well as guided the legislation to come up with the suitable legislations and bring justice to the doorsteps of the weaker sections of the society. Public interest litigation is one shining example of how Indian judiciary has played the role of vanguard of the rights of Indian citizens, especially the poor. It encouraged the public spirited people to seek justice for the poor. For that, Supreme Court relaxed procedure substantially, and it was held in the SP Gupta case. Apart from public interest litigation and judicial activism, there are reforms in the judicial process where it aims to make justice cheap and easy by introducing a Lok Adalat system as one of the methods to provide free legal aid and speedy justice at the doorsteps of the poor. The concept of the legal aid has it implies that giving free legal services to the poor and needy who cannot afford the services of a lawyer for the conduct of a case or a legal proceedings in any court, tribunal, or before any authority. Legal aid is the method adopted to ensure that no one is deprived of professional advice and help because of lack of funds. Therefore, the main object is to provide equal justice is to make available to the poor, downtrodden and weaker section of society. In this regard, Honorable Just P.N. Bhagwati rightly observed that the legal aid means providing an arrangement in the society so that the machinery of administration of justice become easily accessible and not out of reach of those who have to resort it to for enforcement of its given to them by law. The poor and illiterate should be able to approach the courts, and their ignorance and poverty should not be an impediment in the way of their obtaining justice from the court. Legal aid should be available to the poor and illiterate who don't have access to courts. One cannot be a litigant to seek aid by means of legal aid. Therefore, legal aid is to be made available to the poor and needy by providing a system of government funding for those who cannot afford the cost of litigation. Legal aid strives to ensure that constitutional pledge is fulfilled in its letter and spirit, and equal justice is made available to the poor, downtrodden, and weaker section of the society. It is worthy to mention that the Constitution of India, Article 39A of the Indian Constitution, provides that state shall secure that the opposition secure that the operation of the legal system promotes justice on a basis of equal opportunity and shall in particular provide legal aid by suitable legislation. That's all for the topic today. Thank you, and please like and comment on the video.